Welcome back to my channel. Singapore is a vibrant and exciting city-state that offers something for everyone. From delicious cuisine to stunning architecture, Singapore has it all. In this video, we'll be showing you 10 amazing places to visit in Singapore that you won't want to miss. The Gardens by the Bay is a stunning nature park that should be on everyone's must-visit list. With its stunning Supertree Grove, cloud forest, and flower dome, you'll feel like you've stepped into a futuristic wonderland. Imagine yourself walking among the towering supertrees as they sparkle with lights in the evening. It truly is a sight to behold. Sentosa Island is a popular resort island that has everything from amusement parks to beaches. Take a ride on the cable car and enjoy the breathtaking views of the island, or go for a dip in the crystal-clear waters of Palawan Beach. With so much to see and do, Sentosa Island is a perfect destination for a day trip or a longer stay. The iconic Marina Bay Sands Hotel and Resort is another must-visit destination. Take a stroll along the stunning waterfront, or take a dip in the world's largest rooftop infinity pool. With so many restaurants and shops to explore, you'll have no shortage of things to do here. Explore Singapore's rich cultural heritage with a visit to Chinatown. Take a stroll along the vibrant streets, visit the historic Thian Hock Keng Temple, and sample some delicious Singaporean street food. You won't want to leave without trying some chili crab or back-cut tay. If you're looking for entertainment, Clarke Quay is the place to go. With its bustling nightlife and wide array of restaurants, bars, and clubs, it's a fantastic place to spend an evening. Take a river cruise and admire the stunning views of the city skyline as you go. No trip to Singapore would be complete without a visit to Merlion Park. Take a selfie with the iconic half-lion, half-fish statue, or take a stroll along the waterfront and enjoy the stunning views of Marina Bay Sands and the Singapore Flyer. Fort Canning Park is a peaceful oasis in the heart of Singapore's bustling city centre. Take a stroll through the lush greenery and admire the historic landmarks that are scattered throughout the park. It's a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. The Art Science Museum is a stunning architectural marvel that houses a collection of some of the world's most fascinating exhibits. From art installations to science exhibitions, it's a fantastic place to spend a few hours exploring. Haw Par Villa is a whimsical theme park that is unlike anything you've ever seen. With its elaborate sculptures and legends of Chinese mythology, it's a fascinating destination that will transport you to another world. If you liked the video, please share it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.